In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Zillow emails 2026 guide. If your inbox is overflowing with listing alerts or promotional messages, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to quiet things down using a web browser, whether you're on a desktop or on your phone. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to Zillow.com. Sign in to the account that's receiving the emails. If you use more than one email address or have multiple profiles, take a moment to confirm you're in the right one. Subscription settings are tied to each profile, so being in the correct account is essential to seeing and changing the right options. A quick heads up, the Zillow app controls push notifications on your device, but email subscriptions are managed only on the website in a browser. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings. Inside the settings page, find and click on Subscriptions. Consider this your master control center for all Zillow communications. Everything from alerts about saved homes and saved searches to market reports and other recommendations lives here. Now choose how you want to reduce your email volume. If you're ready to stop everything in one move, use the master toggle at the top labeled Turn Off All Notifications. This is the fastest way to shut off every automated email tied to your account. If you prefer to keep certain helpful updates, scroll through the list and toggle off only what you don't need. For example, you might keep saved searches if you're actively looking, but turn off saved homes, updates, or market reports if they're creating clutter. Take a moment to scan each category so you keep only what adds value. After you've made your selections, you may see a confirmation prompt. Click the confirmation button, such as turn off all notifications, to finalize your choice. For peace of mind, refresh the page and double check that your toggles remain in the off position. That quick refresh acts like a save check, ensuring your changes were applied correctly. Keep in mind it can take up to 24 hours for Zillow systems to fully update. During that time, a few previously scheduled messages may still arrive. That doesn't mean your settings didn't work. It simply means queued emails are finishing their send. And that is all for today. You've successfully reclaimed your inbox and customized your Zillow experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.